is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It has been a minute. I have missed you so much, so I'm coming at you with a full day of exactly what I eat. So I'm gonna take you through from morning to night, maybe give you a cool couple tips that you can learn from. The first thing that I start with is some pre-workout, and I head down for my workout. If you guys have ever seen my morning routine, you've probably seen that a couple times. One thing that you will notice is I chug a ton of water throughout this video. I pop in my workout. One thing that I'm doing right now is I'm actually getting prepped for a brand new launch, which is tomorrow, for a new program called Muscle Burns Fat, hashtag MBF. I'm super pumped about it. It's crazy amazing, so intense, but I love that it's also modified if you need it to be, and it comes with these super cool cordless jump ropes. They're slightly weighted, they require some coordination. It works your muscles in all the right way. I love it, I love it, I love it. I'm super excited, so cool. So you can see the modifier there. There's a little bit of weightlifting in it, definitely some cardio with the skip rope, and I'm just so excited for this launch tomorrow. So you can do this exact workout that I'm doing. I can add you to my prep party, I'm calling it. It's totally free. You can try the workout for free, see what it's all about. And you know what? I think a lot of people right now are looking to work out from home, so it's the perfect time if you need a little bit of a solution. You know what? I've been doing this for 7 years of working out from home, and it was the best decision I ever made. And it's just definitely been a blessing to be able to work out from home, and I just love it. I personally just love my space, so I tend to go way harder when I'm on my own. So try this workout, honestly. It's killer. When the workout actually launches, the full program launches tomorrow for our VIPs, for our Team Uproar. You can get it if you want to, if you want the discount, and you can see what it's all about, and that's whenever you can get the actual cordless bod ropes is what they're called, which is sick. I'm so excited for this. I'll link everything down below. And from here, I have not actually had anything to eat yet. I have just had my pre-workout, and I sip on water throughout my workout. And then as soon as I'm done my workout, I usually go live for the girls in my fit gym. I hold them accountable. I showed them what the ropes looked like since they had never seen it yet. And I put everything kind of away. Basically, my arms didn't work anymore after that workout. So I made my way upstairs, grabbed the rest of my water. This water bottle follows me all throughout the day. Then I had some Disney area music going since I'm missing it so much. And then I decided to put away all of my collection of cuppies. That's what I was about to say, is I always have a water bottle in my hand. Just the question is which water bottle? I love my cuppies. So the first thing that I usually eat in a day is my morning smoothie. So I put some collagen in there. So I grabbed the collagen from my cupboard. By the way, I have a full pantry organization video that I can also link below for you guys. That's how everything is labeled, and it was all in that video, and I feel like that would be a good one to share. Kind of goes hand in hand. So the base of my smoothie is actually a juice. I love, love, love our juicer. I will link it for you guys. It has the best cleanup process. It is efficient. It will juice anything. It's amazing. I love it. Andre loves it. So Andre will actually just drink his juice raw. I guess that's how you'd say it. So with the vegetables being refrigerated, it's pretty straightforward, and it tastes honestly really good. So all we do is celery, cucumber, carrots, and 1 green apple. And we will have that juice, or I will have my smoothie alongside our eggs. So I'll show you guys how I make my smoothie. I pour the base, so the juice, into the bottom of the blender. I also love our blender. I add some wild blueberries, a heaping bunch of collagen. I add my strawberry superfoods, which is like basically a green smoothie in powder form. So all of the maca powder and spirulina and all the goodness is in there. And I just find it tastes better that way. And that way I get in some protein also. So I have my smoothie on the side of my eggs and ham. That's all that is. It's just scrambled eggs and ham. Andre totally adds maple syrup. And there's Carl. I had to share. That smile's unbelievable. You guys can follow him on Instagram. I get a lot of questions about Carl. He has his own Instagram. Most questions are answered there. So perfect timing and perfect theme for this video. I received a parcel at the front door from Live Fit Foods. So Andre and I have been ordering from them. I think this is like our 4th order. So we genuinely love it. I will leave all the information down below. I always order 6 meals for me, 6 meals for him. His were a little bit more like Mexican themed, and he had some Muay Thai pad Thai, which he does Muay Thai, so he was all about the name of that meal. He was so excited. So that was like the perfect timing, because the next meal was lunch. I filled up on my water. I had my Avatar candle going. Love, love, love Confectionery Soaps Co. And it was time for lunch. So Andre grabbed his meals. As you can tell, he's thrilled. I heated mine up on the stove. I just made a soup actually. So they have soup, they have breakfast food, they have snacks, protein balls, dinners, lunches, everything. And then he had an enchilada. It was the perfect amount of food. Could I have had more that day? Yeah, maybe. Usually I eat a lot more for lunch, but a soup was perfect. So that kind of takes us into like mid-afternoon whenever I get a little bit of like munchy munch and I just want like a cocktail. You know when you reach at like 4:30, 5 o'clock mark and you're like, I want a cocktail. So I have been having mocktails. I'm on my grind. I am focusing on my results right now. So this is what I do whenever I'm not drinking. I do a little bit of cherry bitters, some lime juice, a little bit of kombucha, a fresh lime in there, some wild blueberries, and then some La Croix. So it literally tastes like a rum punch from Trader Sam's. It's amazing. I brought that outside to start and then I set up to work at my computer. I decided to adult a little bit and get some work done. So this is what I usually do whenever I'm feeling peckish late afternoon. So some time has passed, we're around 5 p.m. and I usually will do some carrots so that I kind of get the crunchy cravings out. And the little Mickey bowl helps with some little ham and some grainy mustard, and that's some tzatziki, which is Greek yogurt based. So pretty clean overall, and filled up on water again. So I had about 3 or 4 of those water bottles throughout the day. Ton of water. If you're not seeing results in your fitness journey, try hydrating yourself. It can make all the difference. So then it was time for dinner. So we made a great big salad. We decided to eat outside. So it was a very summery meal. So we chopped up a salad with all of the things in it, and Andre grilled, which is what he does. He's like a grill master. And we just brought all of the different accoutrements into the screened-in porch and we kind of served ourselves. So we did some sausages as well as some spiedini. Delish. So I think the spiedini was chicken, it was pre-seasoned, and then the sausages are like clean sausages that were made in store. So perfect summer meal on the grill. Big salad, and then I made some rice mixed in with some potatoes, and then we just had water on the side. I think Andre actually had a cocktail. Like, we're not opposed to drinking. If you want to have a drink, have a drink. This is a very real what I eat in a day, like how we stay healthy but live our freaking life, which is what I'm all about. Like, I am not interested in having grilled chicken breast and broccoli every single day with a side of brown rice. That's not how I roll. So I feel like this is how I get results, and it's how I help my customers get results, by just living life the real way and not depriving yourself, because then you don't go off the deep end. So we just kind of made our little plates and made our way over to the high top in the screened-in porch, and we just hung out there. It was actually really nice to eat outside, and since it's screened in, it was free of any bugs, and we had some tzatziki on the side as well as some grainy mustard. Oh, and I had a glass of wine. So yeah, totally drink. And then our late night snacks. So this was around 9 p.m. I grabbed some local strawberries, delicious, and some amazing full fat, grass-fed sour cream, the best, and some brown sugar, as well as some beach bars, which are just like super high in protein, very clean and very delicious. And I will usually chop that up on the side. So I chopped up and rinsed the strawberries, put them in the little Mickey dish with the sour cream and the brown sugar on the side. And then I chopped up that little beach bar, and it made like the best dessert. So we had that outside with some candles at around 9 p.m. And that was just like a pre-bed snack for us. Like, honestly, most summery, delicious dessert, and super clean, pretty healthy, a lot better than most desserts that we would be prone to having. So very cozy meal outside, loved that. And then I filled up one last cuppy of water and made my way up the stairs. I hope that you guys enjoyed the entire what I eat in a day. If you guys have any questions, drop them down below. Make sure that you are subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys liked it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, dudes.